Now I know my ABC. Let's learn the alphabet. 26 amazing letters await you. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for butterfly dance in the sky. C is for cat. Cat says meow. D is for dinosaurs love to roar. E is for elephant are the biggest land animal. F is for fish swim in the sea. G is for giraffe are very tall. H is for heart beats with love. I is for ice cream is so cold and delicious. J is for jellyfish. Jiggle it. K is for kite fly high in the sky. L is for lions are kings of the jungle. M is for moon shines at night. N is for nests make a cozy bird home. O is for octopus has 8 wiggly arms. P is for pizza are round and yummy. Q is for queens wear shiny crowns. R is for rainbow has beautiful color. S is for sun is bright and warm. T is for turtles are slow and steady. U is for umbrella keeps you dry. V is for volcano erupts. W is for whale, our biggest ocean animal. X is for xylophones make beautiful music. Y is for yo-yo go up and down. Z is for zebra is black and white. You learned your ABC. Like, share, and subscribe Bacho ki Duniya. Bye, kids.